Hey everyone, my name's Sam, and this is another installment of the Midtown Comics Action Figure and Collectibles newsletter. This week we'll be unboxing the Holiday Edition Harley Quinn DC Bombshell statue by DC Collectibles. Harley's back in a brand new Holiday Edition sculpt, part of DC Comics' Bombshell statue series. One of DC's deadliest vixens has embraced the spirit of the holidays with her festive paints and holiday sack full of villainous cheer. Another DC Bombshell is available this week. The magical heroine Zatanna is expertly sculpted in the popular pinup style of the 1950s. Each DC Bombshell statue measures over 10 inches tall and are limited production collectibles, sure to put a smile on any comic book fan this holiday season. That's it for this week's video. Make sure and check us out again next week for another exciting product available from your friends at Midtown Comics.